If you've tried every cream, every elimination diet, every detox, and your skin still flares, it's not because you're broken. It's because the real cause isn't on your skin. It's inside your body, deep within your gut. When the gut becomes inflamed, your skin becomes the messenger. And until you heal the inside, the outside can't stay calm for long, because your skin isn't separate from the rest of your body. It's part of your immune and detox system. Nearly 80% of your immune activity happens in your gut. And when that system becomes irritated or leaky, toxins and food particles escape into the bloodstream. So at that point, your body sees them as invaders, and it launches an inflammatory response that often shows up right on your skin. So when you see eczema, psoriasis, acne, or rosacea, what you're really seeing is inflammation trying to escape. Now, research shows a clear link between gut imbalance and chronic skin conditions. People with psoriasis often have disrupted gut microbiomes. Acne frequently connects to sluggish digestion and poor detox pathways. Eczema flares often follow antibiotics, sugar, or stress, all of which can damage gut health. So your skin is really like a billboard for what's happening inside your digestive system. When your gut bacteria are balanced and your liver detoxes properly, your skin glows. But when your gut is inflamed or overloaded, your skin tries to help your body eliminate through breakouts, dryness, and irritation. At Natural Healing Center, we help our clients restore the body's natural balance so it can heal itself. Our process focuses on identifying what's driving the inflammation, such as food sensitivities, toxins, stress, or hidden infections. Then restoring gut integrity with personalized nutrition, targeted therapeutic supplementation, and therapies that rebuild the microbiome. Rebalancing the immune response, calming the overactive inflammation that fuels skin issues. Releasing trapped emotional and physical stress through modalities such as emotion code and craniosacral facial therapy, because healing isn't just physical. Your body isn't working against you, it's actually working for you, and it just needs the right information and support. As an example, one of our clients, Michelle, came in exhausted and embarrassed. She had eczema covering her arms and her neck, and just nothing worked. Through testing, we found gut imbalances, food insensitivities, and high stress markers. Within the first few months of personalized care, her skin began clearing up. But more importantly, she felt lighter, calmer, and finally in control of her body again. So that's what true healing looks like, when you address the cause, not just the symptom. So, if you've been treating your skin from the outside in, it's time to look deeper. Your gut holds the answers that your skin has been begging you to find. At Natural Healing Center, we help uncover what your body is reacting to, so you can finally heal from the inside out. So schedule your free gut-skin connection consultation today and discover what your skin's been trying to tell you all along.